Hi, this is James and this is Sonic. We are the Sonic Arm Mastery team. So in this week 43, we are going to present some interesting developments in the field forex pair that we are going to look into it.
Okay, this is for week number 43. Alright, this week gonna be pretty tight. One of the reason being because on the Monday and Tuesday it's almost nothing. Alright, so please do not be carried over on the market movement on Monday and Tuesday especially. But when Wednesday and Thursday come, we have quite a bit of big events coming up, especially on Aussie pairs, right? Then we also have a BOC statement on related to Canadian pair, and on Thursday we will have a Euro minimum bid rate. So this week the highlight pair I would say is Aussie, Canadians and Euro. Okay, so these are the three pairs that you need to focus on. Okay, but there are some certain things I want to highlight as well. Okay, if you look at next week, right? If you look at next week, we have quite a lot of big events coming in. Especially we have a BOJ, we have FOMC especially, and of course we also have a British pound minimum bid rate coming in as well. So if you compare between this week and next week, of course I have to say next week will be more exciting as well. So this week gonna be quite tight. So please trade properly and please trade with a proper risk exposure. Okay, let's do some analysis here. Okay, this is our favorite pair. This is gold at the moment. As you can see from yesterday, from Monday, is that we have a pretty bullish looking bullish pin. We have a bullish pin show up here. So for the time being, they may go up for a little bit higher, maybe as much as 1290 or 1292, maybe 1293 level. But in my opinion, in the longer term, we are pretty much going to go down lower. All right. So if you are looking for a bear entry, I would say if you go, let it go up a little bit higher, maybe like just the 1293 level, and look for some sort of bearish momentum coming in. Then you try to look for a short. To me, across the board, I'm still quite bearish, and sooner or later I'm expecting this level 1264 level, around this level will be retest again. So overall I'm quite bearish, and I would like to recommend you to take a look for a short somewhere around 1293 1294 level. So my take on the gold is pretty much on the slightly bearishness. Okay, so next one. All right, this is UK, this one. Okay. Right, UK. Okay, UK is of course on the opposite side of gold at the moment. I foresee that the US dollar is sort of like making a comeback. All right, so they try to rise higher and higher. Okay, so we got to be careful which kind of pair we are pairing with. For example, like you can pair with US dollar Canadian, US dollar JPY, or US dollar CHF, right? So in my opinion, pairing with US dollar CAD will be very nice. Okay, one of the reason being because of course US dollar, like I said, is a pretty strong. At the same time, US dollar Canadian is pretty weak. So I think going long on this pair will make you a lot of pip faster. So from here, as you can see, we have a pretty decent resistor level coming up around 1.265. all right, that's the reason why they are sort of like slowing down, right? You can see from here, yesterday candle was pretty small, and we are now starting to see some sort of like a red color candle coming in already. But according to my trade plan, what I'm going to do is I will rather wait for it to, even they want to come back down to this 1.25 level, which is fine with me. I will rather wait for it to come back down and look for a long only kind of approach. So I'm pretty bullish on this guy. The so-called the further they fall, the better for me, because I can get the price at a cheaper level. So I'm pretty bullish on US dollar Canadian at the moment, because across the board, in my opinion, US dollar is making a comeback. All right, so that's all my US dollar Canadian. Okay, let's talk about EU. All right, sorry, EJ. Okay, as you can see from here, okay, in my opinion, Euro is not really in a good shape at the moment in terms of geopolitical situation. So the Euro pair will have a lot of bearish pressure. So as you can see from here, we have a pretty nice swing level around 133.3040 level, 133.40 level, right? So they just took it up just to wipe some people out. And as you can see, yesterday candle was a pretty strongly bearish candle. So it is in line with my bias. So I'm expecting for it to go a lot lower. Okay, so please mark my word. In my opinion, of course, GEJ, which is the Euro Japan pair, it shall go down lower again. So let's see how far they will go. Of course, from the rule of thumb, they will go back to this congestion zone around 133.5040. That means minimum they can fall back down around 100 pips. Okay, so this on my EJ. Alright, then what else do I have? Okay, another one is my favorite pair, Aussie dollars. If you remember, or if you happen to see all our Facebook posting, we have been bearish on the Aussie dollars for quite some time. So it's becoming more and more apparent, right? So I'm staying on the bearish point of view. So sooner or later they shall go back down. James, come zoom in a bit. Okay, they can go back down lower as well. Please keep in mind that today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have CPI, the big news of Aussie coming up. In my opinion, this is gonna be quite a good trigger. Of course, I can be wrong as well, but it looks like it's gonna be quite a good trigger. So I'm expecting at least, okay, they will go back to retest this level, which level around 0.7750. Currently, this Aussie US dollar is ranging around 0.781. So I'm talking about minimum potential of 60 pip drops. I mean, I'm seeing that it will go down further, but at least they will come back to here first. Okay, so well, this is what I have for this week. So I have like a gold, I'm slightly bearish, right? Then what do I have? Gold, UCAD, I'm of course I'm more on the bullish side, and EJ, I'm on the bearish side, and Aussie USD, I'm on the bearish side as well. So all the best for your trading. Of course, do your own due diligence as well, because of course, you know, we are doing our analysis, and we can be, you know, we can be right, we can be wrong as well. But of course, we are right quite often now, right? So thank you very much. I will let James take over. All right, thanks.
Okay. Hi. So alright, first and foremost, I'll be going through three pairs which I am on the bear bias. Alright, the reason I'm with the bear is because they are all reaching a resistance level. So I'll be covering two Swiss franc pair and one Euro New Zealand dollars. So first and foremost, the dollar to the Swiss franc. Okay, we can see price are moving towards a very nice resistance level around the 99 level zone. So as price was going upwards, you can see that volume is not actually matching with the up move, and we have lots of spike coming downwards. So we have a very nice pin bar on the yesterday's candle. I'm seeing that, okay, if you're able to stomach the quite a wide range of stop loss, I mean, you can try to take a short position over here. Alright, but I'm still seeing that there could be some possibility of it going upwards slightly more because of this power coming in. So it could go up slightly more before it starts to show some sign of weakness coming in. Alright, so yeah, I'm looking at around the middle of this resistance zone before taking a short position. Alright, so next will be the Aussie franc. So okay, in the Aussie franc, we can see that they are actually ranging for the past 2 months, ever since from August onwards. So this is actually in a very tight range. So before any sub is being broken, I am still pretty neutral on it. So I'm just trading the bounce from the resistance to the support, or to the support to the resistance. So we could see that actually for the past few days, we can see quite a nice red candle showing up with price unable to break a certain high around this level. Alright, so 0.771 level. Alright, so I am with the bear, strongly bearish on this pair, I would say. So I'm seeing where will I take my TP? Of course, will be the next support zone before I have a conclusion whether it will go down further or will it bounce up again. Okay, so as we see again, I repeat, it's a 2 months ranging period. So yeah, right now is seeing the franc will strengthen against the Aussie dollar. Okay, next up we have the Euro New Zealand that is very bullish. Look at the amount of higher high in it. So we are still quite bullish, with price action is still very bullish with only one red candle on yesterday. So today price has made quite a big movement. I am on the bear side, however the price action is not on my end. I will be looking for more short signal such as a pin bar and an engulfing candle before I start to take a short position over here. Alright, so the next area that I'll be looking out for will be this congestion area that could be a possible area for me to take my profit. Okay, so this is all for week 43. These are all based on our pure analysis on our end. So I hope that you guys will do your own due diligence before taking any of our trades. Thank you.